because right behind his house, you can see the flames are really starting to creep up. You can see the firefighter there, maybe. They're trying to pull. Okay, so if those trees go up, that's not good. And to the left of those trees, there is another home. So this is not a home.
They're writing you guys.
Okay.
You're gonna.
This is Boundary Bridge.
What I was gonna check out. We're gonna finish this deck and then refill with water. There's cheese here. Okay. All dry, dry, everything. So.
And I don't want. I'm hoping they collapse on each other, so I don't have to go move them.
Is a lot of times, you know, how it burns downhill is things will break free and roll, and that's how it burns downhill. But it burns very slow, and that's what they're doing right there. See that they're waiting for it to come up to the top. I turned my mic back on. Hopefully, whoever was asking me those questions, I'm just letting you guys know right now. The wildlife way station, I think, is far from the flames. I might be wrong. We were just looking just a moment. All right, we got about 15 minutes. Just so you know, when we go live. Copy. Copy, thanks.